Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a simple wireframe material. So, first thing you need to do is to change your view from the default Blender view to the shading tab. Once you have selected your object and you have a material on it and you want this material to be the wireframe material, the only two things you need to do is to click Shift A, search for mix, select mix color, plug it into the base color, and this will be your colors of the wireframe. The second thing you need to do is to search for the wireframe, and you plug this to the factor of the mix node, and these two colors, the first color, as you can see, would be the color of the non-wireframe stuff on this, let's name it like that. And the second one obviously will be the wireframe color. You can see we can make it red, but we will just make it black. But okay, these lines are a little bit too thick, so we made it thinner just by reducing the size here. And that's all. That's all pretty much. The only thing you would probably like to know is that you can use this as a mask for a lot of different properties of the material. So, for example, let's just unplug it from here, and you can plug it into the strand of the emission node. We can quickly reverse that, and as you can see, now the wireframe will be emitting the color selected here, but this would affect the lighting if you use the cycless render engine. So yeah, you can also use both for some interesting effects. You can plug it into roughness, metallic, etc. So yeah, that's pretty simple. That's all in this tutorial. So if you liked it, leave a like, maybe subscribe. I'll be waiting with more materials. Hope you liked it. Goodbye. And one more thing, guys. I'm still in the process of setting up my microphone, so it probably doesn't sound good just yet. But just to show you this, I had to boost the audio level of all the previous part of the video, and I'm recording this part afterwards because just it was too silent. I have to boost it about like 25 decibels, so it was pretty much unhearable, you know. So yeah, I just hope that I'll get this right soon, so the videos would be better. Yeah, that's all, and that's an additional above 1 minute of a voiceover. So yeah, just that's all. Bye.